Hello everyone, my name is Amelia Carolina Maulisite, NPM 21110305018. Here I will briefly present about muscle. Definition of muscle. Muscles are clusters of muscles that contract with each other. Muscle function in general is to provide active exercise, to preserve food reserve, and to provide contour bodies. Function of the muscle. The muscle function is split into two, that is, A. Voluntary function is the result of the action of skeletal muscles. First, maintain posture, for example sitting, standing, and sleeping. Second, perform various movements, line movement, fingers to hold, diaphragm respiration or breathing, pairing swallow food, tongue and lips move food and vocalis. B. Involuntary function, not influenced by will, due to smooth muscle and cardiac muscle work. 1. Propulsion of substance in various channels, for example, food which runs along the digestive tract and blood runs along the veins. 2. Expulsion of substance stored in the sac or vesicle, for example, bile, urine, and feces. 3. Regulation the diameter of the hole to regulate the size of the pupil of the A, pylorus stomach, and rectum or anus. 4. Regulation the diameter of the channel to regulate the size of the vessels. Blood cells are so flexible that they can change shape immediately when they are entering different blood vessels: arteries, arterioles, capillaries, venules, and veins. Muscle tissue type. 1. Smooth muscle. Smooth muscle is one of the muscles that has a shape that plain and cold and have a nucleus in the middle. Found in tools or areas of hollow organs such as digestive tract, stomach, esophagus, small intestine, rough intestine, windpipe, bronchi, pulmo, uterus or womb, urinary bladder, gallbladder, and vessels blood. Smooth muscle contracts reflexively and under autonomic nervous effect. Characteristics of smooth muscle are the cells are spindle-shaped, slow muscle movements, and don't tire quickly, working out of consciousness. 2. Skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle is a type of muscles that is attached to the entire skeleton. Located in all muscles attached to bones, muscles of the tongue, palate and palatine, pharynx, and tips of the esophagus. It is called third muscle because when viewed under a microscope, it can be seen that there are alternating dark and light lines that run along the muscle fibers. Therefore, another name for third muscle is transverse third muscle. Characteristics of skeletal muscles are the cells are cylindrical in shape with light dark lines. Movement is fast and easily fatigue and attached to the frame, and walk consciously. 3. Cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle is the only muscle that has strong branches are called intercalated discs. Only in the cardiac. The function of the cardiac muscle is to pump blood out of the cardiac. Characteristics of the cardiac muscle are the cells are cylindrical in shape with branching or syncytium, not easily tired, and walk unconsciously or involuntary. Muscle contraction. Muscle contraction are triggered by brain signals. The nervous system provides action potential as a signal into muscle cells. A cation responds to a signal by causing a chemical reaction. This reaction produces calcium in the muscle and activates the work of actin and myosin compounds. This performance that gives rise to shortening or tightening of muscles. Muscle relaxation occurs when the muscles return to their original state and loosen up. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you.